Hello everyone. In this video I am going to show you how you can download the NPA data of all the banks in India in Excel format. So to get the data you need to log into RBI website, which is rbi.org.in. So once you go to the website you need to go to publications and annual. So this page comes up and there are a list of data, but you need to go to statistical tables relating to banks in India. So here is the data. Once you click the data, a new tab opens and there you can see a list of tables again. So you need to click on tables here, and here is the NPA data. So once you click on this, there will be a window opening in this page itself. So this is the list of data. So to export this in Excel, you need to click on this option, export and Excel. So your download will begin and the data gets downloaded to your computer. So this is the Excel sheet which got downloaded. So here you can see all the banks and the NPA amount, so gross NPA and net NPA. So this is in the starting of the year, then the addition, then deduction. So this much recovery was made and this was waived off, and this is the closing. So you can see the list of banks here. So there are public sector banks and even the private banks. So you can check the list, you can find out what is the current NPA of the banks, and whatever analysis you want to do on this data you can easily do it. So what is the current scenario of the bank and its NPA, you can find out by this method. So it's a very easy method to figure out the NPA data of all the banks in India. Thanks for watching this video.